everyone, this is Sasa, your Bicolano Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, we are here sa isa sa bagong tayong subdivision dito sa Pampanga. And ito, pinakamalapit sa Marquee Mall. And at the same time, kung gusto nyo ng subdivision, and then located siya sa malapit sa city, and then gusto nyo pa rin ng bundok, ito na yung subdivision na para sa inyo. As you can see, napakahangin. And kung gusto nyo ng affordable and also malapit sa lahat, i-check na natin yung bahay na to. They have this Vera model house. Sukin na natin. Single detached yung bahay na to. You have a single carport over here na naka-manual gate. And then 2-story. And right here, parang may pwede ka pang space for your mini garden. Ang ganda. And they offer a in-house financing and bank financing pala. So, napaka-flexible ng payment term. Bagay na bagay sa mga overseas, yung mga gusto magkabahay in future. This is the perfect home for you kasi as in accessible siya sa Angeles Exit Expressway, malls, schools, and hospitals din. Kaya, tara na. Yan. Pasok na tayo agad and from there, kung interested talaga kayo, pwede nyo nang hindi tapusin yung house tour natin. You can just call the numbers flashing on your screen. Either ako yung sasagot ng call or si Admin K natin. So, pagpasok, the house comes unfurnished. Kumbaga ito, dahil nga model unit, para naman alam nyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyong upgrade na gagawin. So, the furnitures are not included. Pero meron kang ample space for your own living room kapag ganito yung kinuha mong bahay or isa ka sa mga nakapag-avail ng bahay dito sa subdivision na to. Over here, ang ganda nga ng pagkagawa ng kitchen nila. May island countertop and then at the same time, in-extend yung countertop na to para maging breakfast nook. And syempre, upgraded na lahat ng gamit natin. Ito yung pinaka-formal kitchen. This side. And then also sa likod dito, meron ka pang another area for a dirty kitchen. Kasi single detached naman talaga yung bahay natin. Ito, access natin from your carport. So you have single carport open. Then access natin dito. See? You have a spacious backyard pa over here. And, look at that. Meron ka pang outdoor table and chair over there. Yan. Balik tayo sa loob. Ito yung iba, starter family, pwede na to sa kanila kasi the rest of the bedrooms are located sa second floor natin. Ang ganda ng model unit na to. Ito yung may mga natitira pa. Look. Kasi ito yung access sa likod. Ang cute. Hindi siya cute. I mean, maganda yung pagka-design ng bahay. So, sa interior, ito na yon. Yung ibang upgrades lang yung hindi kasama. Ay! Yung pinaka-dining natin. Pinaka-dining natin ngayon, ang nilagay nita is round shape na table and then 4-seater siya. So, ganun naman kay spacious. And malalaki kasi yung chairs. So, kung yung rectangular shape naman, pwede up to 6-seater na dining table. Kasyang-kasya pa. And isang aircon lang yung gumagana pero yung whole place na yung malamig. That's nice. Area. And for our guests, syempre meron tayong powder room. Tapos medyo isang step pa baba and then another step pa baba para yes, mataas. I like it. Mataas. So, spacious naman sa toilet area natin. I have your sink over here. At meron siyang natural ventilation. Diba? Nag-o-offer yung developer na to for this development nila ng around 10% down payment and then also yung 10% na yun kaya pang i-avail ng 12 months na zero interest. Ganun ka-flexible yung payment terms na ino-offer nila. Now, akyat na tayo sa taas. Even yung space ng staircase, maluwag pa rin. Yung handrail, ang tibay ng handrail. Ay, ang ganda din kahit ito. Diba, talagang mas ma-appreciate niyo yung bahay kapag marami na kayong upgrade na nagawa. Okay. I'll start here na lang. Tignan nyo naman yung itsura ng first bedroom na. So, ngayon, nilagay nila ng single size na bed and mattress. And, ayan yung in-interior nila. Na-occupy. Hindi occupied lahat ng space and then hindi din masikip. May study table / vanity. May shelves. Hindi na naglagay ng space for the television. Pero tapos, kung nasan si Mr. K, doon nakalagay yung cabinet naman over here. Yan, cabinet na yan. Ay, and malaki siya. Kaya talaga maghang ng damit. Ay, okay. Kasi ganun siya kalawak dyan. Diba? And syempre meron tayong, dahil walang ensuite yan, ito yung common shower nila. Kahit yung mga common toilet and bath, kapag naayusan din talaga, iba yung nagiging itsura. Pero ito, kasama na to sa sale, yung gantong nakasara yung shower area. Toilet and then a sink. And then yung size niya, hindi siya maliit. Maganda. And then this one. See, ang ganda pag na-interior talaga yung rooms, no? Kasi, look, ito naka-single size ulit. And then, na-maximizing space over here. May drawers. May shelving. Look at may mga books. And then dito, first, this is just for a sample. Nilagyan nila ng naka-window top yung aircon na nilagay nila. Then sa other side naman, may cabinet na. Ito movable to. Movable yung gamit na nilagay. Pag talagang mga bata pa yung kids nyo, ito yung pwedeng maging first house nyo. Kasi yung iba hindi first house pa yung gusto nila. May second, tsaka may pinaka talagang dream house pa. And this one, third room natin, is yung pinaka primary bedroom. Ngayon, may nakalagay na queen size. Queen size. Queen size. Ngayon, may nakalagay na queen size. Naka-interior din yung room. Ang fresh ng pagka-design nila. Ito parang sulihiyan na to. Or abaka. Pero ganun yung style niya. Tropical. Then, sakto din, may mga lagayan pa doon. Ito may bedside table. And, since primary room to, may sarili na siyang toilet and bath. So, the house comes 3 bedroom and 3 toilet and bath kasi meron pa tayo sa ground floor. You have your sink, toilet, and then ito naman, glass partition for the shower area ng master. Gusto ko mga gantong height ng shower. Diba? Hindi mo masasabing yung house is pwede na kasi perfectly made for a family na nagsa-start pa lang mag-build ng kanya-kanya nilang pamilya. Ganun. Balik tayo sa baba. So now, kung napag-desisyonan nyo ng gusto nyo ng gatong bahay, ang reservation niya is only 50,000 and for the down payment, ayun nga, kanina is 10% and then pwede pa siyang staggered payment term ng naka 12 months and then 0 interest. The rest ng balance can do in-house financing and then bank financing. And by the way, they have 3 model houses. This one is Vera, and then another one is Ira and Flora. So, itatayo pa lang yun. Makikita nyo kasi nga, limited inventory na lang din for this kind of houses. Kaya make sure to call the numbers flashing on your screen to book your viewing or site visit.
Some paths are made to connect places. Ours was made to connect people. To nature, to progress, and to each other.
Our mission is simple: to make sure every corner of the Houselands Clarkway feels like home, protected, secure, and at peace.
When we designed the Houselands Clarkway, our vision was clear. We wanted to create a community that beautifully balances nature and modern living.
Our inspiration came from nature and calm simplicity of everyday living. We wanted the homes to feel like a peaceful retreat, warm, welcoming, and timeless. The design uses neutral palettes to give homeowners freedom to personalize their space.
These thoughtfully designed spaces support development by providing multisensorial experiences, nurturing their creativity, social connection, and emotional well-being.
At the Houselands Clarkway, we created a world where fur babies can be part of every walk, play, and pause.
Health and wellness will be the heart of life in the Houselands Clarkway. As coach, I've seen how regular movement transforms lives, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally.
Eating wisely means more than just choosing healthy food. It's about knowing where your food comes from and how it nourishes both body and community. It is important to start growing food close to us so we can have access to fresh and clean food.
Greenery, such as trees, plants, parks, and gardens, plays a significant role in promoting a healthier lifestyle for residents in both physical and mental ways.
The community is designed with spaces like the courtyard, a central gathering place that blends elegance and function. So whether it's an intimate family milestone or a lively neighborhood event, there's actually a space here where memories can truly shine.
That's how we keep the Houselands Clarkway feeling like a community that you can call home.